Hi, this is Espression from Computer Science and Engineering Department of second year. My registration number is UR15C046. Today I'm going to do the fifth experiment in packages. In Java programming lab, that is packages. The main aim is on the objective is to understand the concept of packages. The question given to me is develop a hostel management for the hotel manager to maintain the various hostel details. Now let's see the program. This is the program. I have initialized a package called hostel and package name import java.util and public class residence is my class. I have created a new class called residence. String number 1 is equal to new string of character 50, array 50. String number 2 is equal to new string of 150 character 20, and string number 4 is equal to new string 250 into 4, and scanner s is equal to, here I have used this is nothing but scanner class. This should come like this. Integer of c1 is equal to 0, integer of c2 is equal to 0, and c3 is equal to 0, integer of c4 is equal to 0, and c5 is equal to 0. Character is initialized as ch, and here I have initialized a public void reset, and by using a looping statement, that is a do while loop. The speciality of do while loop is nothing but uh, to if a program is wrong also, just if it is show error also, at least once it will execute the program. And system.out.println is nothing but telling input to user that enter 1 for seater room and enter 2 for second seater room, enter 3 for 4 seater room. One seater room is nothing but single, and double seater and for 4 seater. And system.out.println is nothing but, already I have told, to input the user, and integer of x is equal to s dot next int of, and by using switch case statement, switch of x, here I have used two cases. Case 1 is by using if condition. If c1, that is character 1, is less than or equal to 50, print it as register number by using system.out.println, and hence I have used a switch case, so I have to use obviously break. And case 2, if character is less greater than 1, c character 2 is equal to 0, and hence c3 will be incremented. And by using a system.out.println statement, I am telling the user to print the registration number, and number 2 and c3 into c2 is equal to s dot next, and hence c2 is also incremented, and I have used a break statement. And case 3 is if c4 is greater than 3, and c4 will be 0, and then c5 will be incremented. If 1 is less than the other, next character will be incremented. And here also system.out.println register number was c4, that is, this is a 4 seater, to implement the 4 seater room, and c4 will be incremented. if previous element first become lesser and the next character will be incremented, and finally the current character also will be incremented by using default system.out.println is a wrong choice, and system.out.println by using this statement, do you want to continue yes or no, and character s dot next, and by using while loop again I am telling the ch is s by s, and by using public void display if c1 is greater than 0, and using the system.out.println I am telling the user to print one seater room for by using for loop int I is equal to 0 and I less than c1, and I will be incremented by using the same statement. I am telling the user to room number y plus 1, I is equal to 0, so 0 plus 1 occupant, that is single seater. This is meant for single seater, and if c3 is greater than 0, and system.out.println this is nothing but a two seater double seater room by using for loop int I is equal to 0 and I less than or equal to 3, and hence I will be incremented to two-seater room, and similarly I have shown for four-seater also. This is my program. This is my main class package Java Lab import hostel public class type by using public static void main residence r is equal to new residence r. Now I'm going to run the program. Enter 1 for, so I'm going to put I'm going to type 3. Sorry. I'm going to type 3. Register number UR15CS046. Okay. Yes. Enter 3 for 4-seater room. I'm going to enter 3 UR15CS046. UR15CS045. UR15CS048 and UR15CS049. 4-seater room residence, room number 201, CS046. This is my program. Thank you.